Hello, my name is Timothy Chlupsa, and I teach elementary school in Payson, Arizona. I've been a broadcaster for over 4 decades from Hawaii to North Carolina. The purpose of this presentation is to demonstrate effective communication strategies for adult learners. Strategy 1 deals with defining lines of communication for immediacy of response. Email communications have found to be the first method of being most effective for immediate means of contact between instructor and student in today's times. Studies show that a look at clarification of questions, confirmation of facts, and details and checking for understanding is well served in this use of this strategy being email. Strategy 2, voicemail messaging. It's the logical follow-up to email. An initial message detailing what is needed to be left to address the concerns of the learner is most important. It should be clear and concise as to who and what is needed. Finally, strategy 3 is to offer a venue similar to Grand Canyon University's Messages venue for similar or secondary messaging format similar to email. It should be considered a backup to the first two strategies of email and voicemail. Arguably, the greatest challenge to communication in higher education is that with what many adult learners are choosing non-traditional asynchronous learning venues. Communication is not as immediate as into a face-to-face classroom. Instructors must offer communication channels like those previously facilitated, timely and effective communications between instructor and student. And again, this goes back to the voicemail. The message venue, like is offered by Grand Canyon University, and initially the lines of communication established through email. The question of de-escalating strategies for interpersonal conflict between a student and instructor and between students is a multifaceted one. Trust is one of the most important things we can talk about, one of the most important elements in this scenario. When a teacher is trusted by his academic charges, rarely do confrontations take place. Indeed, at times we must agree to disagree with a level of respect and decorum that is applicable to a student that uses academic language and thought process in a responsible and mature manner. Providing a stage for discussion and analysis of course content lends itself to a dynamic, and often comments and concerns arise during this venue. Now, suggestions, challenges to opinions, and theories frequently surface during these dialogues. The ultimate goal of effective communication in higher education is to provide a safe, secure, positive, and supportive learning environment, whether face-to-face or online in the virtual learning environment that is present so much these days. Thank you for your time.